Next, new model. If question contains two linear expressions, say L1 and L2, then we can try to substitution L1 by L2 equal to T. One point, line L1 by L2, line derivative of line L1 by L2, line L1 by L2 derivative మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, మన కాన్స్టెంట్ బై లైన్ L2 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఇలా వస్తుందండి. కాన్స్టెంట్ బై లైన్ L2 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. Important point, key point. If questions contains two linear expressions, x minus 1, x minus 2, two linear expressions, then we can try to substitution L1 by L2 equal to T. మనం L1 by L2 లైన్ 1 by లైన్ 2 కి డెరివేటివ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే రిజల్ట్ ఏమొస్తుంది? కాన్స్టెంట్ బై లైన్ L2 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ వస్తుంది. చూద్దాం. Now integral required L1 by L2 line L1 by line L2 dx by 7th root. This one is the 7th root. Seventh root of x minus 1 whole power 8 by x minus 2 whole power 8 into x minus 2 whole power 6, x minus 2 whole power 8 multiplied by x minus 2 whole power 8 divided by x minus 2 whole power 8. Then we get line L1 by L2 as well, no, x minus 1 by x minus 2 whole power 8. Now integral dx by x minus 1 by x minus 2 whole power 8 by 7 into x minus 2 whole power 6 plus 8 14 into 1 by 7 14 by 7 2 x minus 2 whole square. So now linear expression L1 by L2. Now L1 by L2 equal to T. Now x minus 1 by x minus 2 equal to T. Derivative with respect to x. Now u by v square x minus 2 whole square, numerator is x minus 2 into derivative of x minus 1 1 minus of x minus 1 into derivative of x minus 2 1 dx equal to dt. X minus x cancelled out, minus 2 minus of minus plus 1 minus 1 dx by minus 1 dx by x minus 2 whole square equal to dt. Now integral dx by x minus 2 whole square equal to minus dt by this value in terms of t x minus 1 by x minus 2 equal to t power 8 by 7. Now integral minus of integral t power minus 8 by 7 dt. Now minus of t power minus 8 by 7 plus 1 by minus 8 by 7 plus 1 plus c. Now minus of t. Here t is x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 whole power. Taking LCM is 7 minus 1 by 7 by minus 1 by 7 plus c. Minus of minus cancel. The final answer is x minus 1 by x minus 2 whole power minus 1 by 7 plus c, or x minus 2 by x minus 1 whole power 1 by 7 plus c. Now a by b whole power minus 5 equals b by a whole power 5. X minus 1 by x minus 2 whole power minus 1 by 7 equals to x minus 2 by x minus 1 whole power 1 by 7. Your base is 1 by 7. Sorry, your base is 1 by 7. That is 7 by 1 into 7. 7 times of x minus 2 by x minus 1 whole power 1 by 7. Next one. Integration of trigonometrical functions. Integral of the form integral sine power mx cos power nx dx. If m is odd, power of sine function odd positive integer. Now cos x be, let cos x be t. N is odd, power of cos odd, other function sine be t. It means one of the exponent is odd positive integer. If one of the exponent is odd positive integer, then substitute other term equal to t. Now the term equal to t. Here m is odd, so other term cos x equal to t. Now n is odd, other term sin x equal to t. If one of the exponent is odd positive integer, then substitute other term t. Okay, ఈ ఫంక్షన్ లో దేనికి పవర్ సపోజ్ సైన్ పవర్ ఆడ్ ఉందనుకోండి కాస్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టీ తీసుకోవాలి. కాస్ ఫంక్షన్ కి పవర్ లో ఆడ్ ఉందనుకోండి అదర్ టర్మ్ ఏముందండి సైన్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టీ తీసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్, ఇఫ్ m and n both are odd positive integer, m and n both are positive integers, both are positive odd integers. Okay, in this case taking big power exponent t, big power exponent t, so either sine or cos, for example integral sine power 5x cos power 7x dx. In this case m and n, here m and n both are odd positive integers, then taking big power exponent t, which one big power exponent cos. Now let cos x be t. This is the procedure. Next, if m and n are even positive integers, now m and n are even positive integers, m positive and n positive. In this case, if m and n are even positive integers, then use trigonometric identities only. Now we are understanding m and n are both are positive integers, even positive integers, then use trigonometric identities only. That is sin 2x cos 4x sin 4x and so on. Like example sin square x into cos square x dx, integral sin power 4x into cos power 4x dx, integral sin power 6x into cos power 6x dx, and so on. Both are both are even. So m and n both are even, then use a trigonometric identities only. That is sin 2x, sin 4x, cos 4x, whatever. Next, if m and n are rational numbers such that m plus n minus 2 by 2 belongs to, it is important one, negative integer. So m and n are rational numbers, m plus n minus 2 by 2, this result will be negative integer. Now then take tan x equal to t or cot x equal to t. You just memorize this concept. I will repeat again. So one of the exponent is odd. In this case, other term be t. So sin function లో ఉన్న పవర్ కి ఆడ్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, కాస్ ని t తీసుకోవాలి. కాస్ ఫంక్షన్ కి ఉన్న పవర్ లో ఆడ్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, సైన్ ఫంక్షన్ ని మనం t తీసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ బోత్ ఆర్ ఆడ్, రెండు ఆడ్, m అండ్ ఆడ్, సైన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆడ్ పవర్ ఆడ్, కాస్ ఫంక్షన్ పవర్ ఆడ్, బోత్ ఆర్ ఆడ్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, ఇందులో బిగ్ నెంబర్ బిగ్ పవర్ ఏముందో దాన్ని మనం t తీసుకోవాలి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ sin పవర్ x, cos పవర్ sin పవర్ 5x, cos పవర్ 7x dx. ఈ కేసు మనం ఏం తీసుకోవాలని మనం let big power exponent be t. So big power, so cos x be t. Next, m and n both are even, then use the trigonometric identities only. Like example, integral sin square x cos square x, integral sin power 4x cos power 4x, integral sin power 6x cos power 6x, sin 2x cos 4x sin 4x అలా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలండి. నెక్స్ట్ m and n are rational numbers, both are rational numbers, then we need to check m plus n minus 2 by 2 belongs to negative integer. The result అనేది మనకి నెగటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, సో then take tan x equal t or cot x equal to t. This is the integration of trigonometrical functions. Now example, integral sin power 5x cos power 5x dx. So sin function power odd, cos function power odd. M and n both are odd. In this case, take big power function equal to t. Take big power function t. Which one big power? 5 or 3? 5. Now let sin x equal to t, derivative of sin x, cos x dx equal to dt. Now integral sin x, sin power 5x, this one is cos square x into cos x. Now cos square x is 1 minus sin square x cos x into dx. Now integral sin power 5x, sin power 5x is t power 5, 1 minus sin square x t square cos x dx equal to dt. Now integral t power 5 minus t power, base or equal power should be added, t power 5 plus 2 7 dt. Now t power 5, t power 6 by 6 minus t power 8 by 8 plus c. Here t in terms of x, here t equal to sin x, sin power 6x by 6 minus sin power 8x by 8 plus c. This is the final answer. Next one, integral cos cube x by square root of sin power 7x dx. Now integral cos cube x into sin power minus 7 by 2x, a denominator sin power 7 by 2x, so that is in the numerator sin power minus 7 by 2x dx. So big power is sin, let sin x be t, derivative of sin x cos x dx equal to dt. Now integral sin power minus 7 by 2 dx, this one is cos square x into cos x. Cos square x is 1 minus sin square x into cos x dx. Now integral sin x equal to t power minus 7 by 2, 1 minus sin square is t square into cos x dx equal to dt. Now integral t power minus 7 by 2 minus base circle power should be added, minus 7 by 2 plus 2, 2 2 is 4 minus 3 by 2 dt. T power plus 1 minus 5 by 2 by minus 5 by 2 this one t power minus 1 by 2 by minus 1 by 2 plus c. Now minus 2 by 5, denominator minus 5 by 2. It will take minus 2 by 5 in numerator into t. What is the t here? Sin x. Now sin x, sin minus 5 by 2x, minus of minus plus 2 into t sin x, sin power minus 1 by 2 x plus c. This is the final answer. Next one, integral secant power 7 by 3x cosecant power 5 by 3x dx. First we have to convert this one into sin x into cos x, sin power mx into cos power mx. Okay, here this problems depend on m and n, m odd or n odd, or both are odd, both are even, or both are rationals. Okay, integral secant 1 by cos power 7 by 3x 1 by sin power 5 by 3x dx. Now integral 1 by sin, 1 by sin, that is sin power minus 5 by 3x into this one is cos power minus 7 by 3x, exactly sin power m into cos power m, sin power mx into cos power mx. Here 5 by 3 and 7 by 3 both are rationals, both are rational numbers. M and n are rational numbers such that m plus n minus 2 by 2 belongs to negative integer. First we need to calculate m plus n minus 2 by 2, m plus n minus 2 by 2. Now minus 5 by 3, m plus n is minus 7 by 3, minus 2 by 2. Taking LCM 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 6 by 2. Now denominator 2 3 is 6. This one is minus 18. So negative integer. This one is a negative integer exactly. So m plus n minus 2 by 2 belongs to negative integer. Then take tan x equal t or cot x equal to t. Okay. Now let tan x be t. Tan x derivative secant square x dx equal to t. Okay, this one we have to convert enter function in tan. So divided by integral sin power minus 5 by 3x divided by cos power minus 5 by 3x. I hope you are understanding. Sin by cos equal to tan. Now cos power 7 minus 7 by 3x into cos power minus 5 by 3 into x dx. Now this is equal to integral tan power minus 5 by 3x into cos power minus 7 by 3 minus 5 by 3, 7 minus plus 5, 12, 12 by 3 minus 4 x dx. Now integral 1 by tan power 5 by 3x into cos power 4x dx. This will be integral 1 by tan power 5 by 3x. Now 1 by cos secant power 4x dx. Here secant square x dx equal to t. Secant square x dx equal to t into secant square x. Secant square x is 1 plus tan square x, 1 plus tan square, 1 plus t square by t power 5 by 3 dx. What is dx? Over secant square x dx equal to t dt. Sorry, this one dt. Secant square x dx equal to dt, and one more secant square x. Secant square x equal to 1 plus tan square x. So 1 plus t square by t power 5 by 3. Now integral t power minus 5 by 3 plus integral t square by t power 5 by 3, 2 minus 5 by 3, 6, 1 by 3, t power 1 by 3 dt. Now t power minus 2 by 3 by minus 2 by 3 plus t power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 plus, see, this is the final answer. What is the t here? Tan x. Here t equals to tan x. Final result is here tan power minus 2 by 3x by, this one is minus 3 by 2 into, now plus 3 by 4 into tan power 4 by 3x plus c. This is the final answer. Next one, integral sin cube x by cube root of cos square x dx. Okay, integral sin cube x by cube root of cos square x dx. Now integral sin cube x into, this one is denominator cos power 2 by 3 x dx. This will be integral sin cube x into cos power minus 2 by 3 x dx. Here one is the rational, other one is integer, odd positive integer. మనం థింక్ చేస్తే ఈజీ చూస్తే sin cube x ఏం రాయొచ్చండి, sin cube x dx ని ఎలా రాస్తామండి, sin square x into sin x into dx. Now sin x into dx, this one is the derivative of cos x. Cos x equal to t. Derivative of cos is minus sin x dx equal to dt. మనకి ప్రాబ్లం ఈజీగా అయిపోతుందండి. అందులో మనం cos x into t అనుకుంటే బెటర్ చాయిస్. మనకి బోత్ వన్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్, వన్ ఈజ్ ఆడ్ ఇంటీజర్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మనకి m ఆడ్ ఇంటీజర్ అయింది అనుకోండి, సైన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆడ్ ఇంటీజర్ అయింది అనుకోండి, cos x ఈక్వల్ t తీసుకుంటాం. అదే కాస్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆడ్ ఇంటీజర్ అయింది అనుకోండి, n ఈక్వల్ ఆడ్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, సైన్ ఫంక్షన్ t తీసుకుంటాం. ఇక్కడ సైన్ ఫంక్షన్ మనకి ఏంటండి, ఆడ్ ఇంటీజర్. సో cos x ని t తీసుకోవాలి, లేదంటే ఎలా అయినా చెక్ చేసుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, one of the two functions odd integer, then substitute other term t. So sin power x, sin power 3x, power of sin function is odd integer, so definitely cos x be t. Let cos x be t, derivative with respect to x, minus sin x dx equals to dt. Now integral sin cube x, now sin square x, sin cube x, sin square x into sin x, that is the sin cube x. Now integral sin square x, 1 minus cos square x into sin x into dx. Sin x into dx equal to minus dt. Cos power minus 2 by 3x, cos x equal t. Now t power minus 2 by 3. So integral minus of 1 minus cos square x t square into t power 2 by 3 dt. This will be integral t square minus 1 multiplied by minus t square minus 1 into t power 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 dt. Now integral t square into t power minus 2 by 3, base are equal, power should be added. 2 minus 2 by 3, 6 minus 2, 4 by 3, t power 4 by 3. Now dt minus of integral t power minus 2 by 3 dt. Now t power 4 by 3 plus 1, 5 by 3 divided by 5 by 3 minus t power, this is the minus of, yes, minus t power minus 2 by 3 integral to x power n equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 t power minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Now t power 1 by 3 by 1 by 3 plus c. Here t cos x, t in terms of x is cos x. Now cos power 5 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus cos power 1 by 3 into 3 by 1 plus c. There's different options. Options available. This one is a plus 4 by 3 t power t square 2 3 to the 6 minus 2 4 by 3, right option. Okay, sorry, here mistake. 4 by 3 plus 1, that is 7 by 3. Now 4 by 3 plus 1, 7 by 3, small mistake, sorry. Now this one is 3 by 7, this one is 7 by 3. 7 by 3. So this is the final answer. 3 into cube root of x. 3 into cube root of x, here, there. So bring outside 3 into cos power 1 by 3x. This result is minus 1. Now 1 by 7 cos power 1 by 3x into some function of cos equal to 7 by 3. Now cos power 6 by 3. Base are equal, power should be added. 1 by 3 plus 6 by 3 is 7 by 3 minus 1 plus c. This is the final answer. Now modification, 3 times of cube root of cos x into 1 by 7 into cos square x is cos square x minus 1 plus c. This is the final answer. So which one is the right option? Third one is the right answer. Next one, integral sin power 4x cos power 4x dx. M and n both are even. Both are even integers. Then use trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. Now power is 4. Now 2 power 4 sin power 4x cos power 4x dx divided by 2 power 4. This will be 1 by 16 integral 16, that is 2 into sin x cos x whole power 4 dx. Now 1 by 16 integral 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta. Now sin 2x whole power 4 sin square 2x whole square dx. Now 1 by 16 integral sin square theta cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Sin square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Now 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Sorry, 1 minus cos 4x by 2. Now whole square dx. 1 by 16 integral. Now 1 by 2, 2 square is 4, bring outside 4 into 16, 64. Now a minus b whole square, a square plus b square cos square 4x minus 2ab minus 2 cos 4x dx. It is not a linear. 1 by 64 integral 1 plus cos square 4x cos square theta. Now cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos theta minus 1. 2 cos theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. Cos theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by. Now 1 plus cos 8x by 2 minus 2 cos 4x dx. Okay, I hope we are understanding. Cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Here cos square 4 theta. So cos square 4 theta equal to 1 plus cos 8 theta by 2. Now this will be 1 by 64 integral 1. So integral 1 with respect to x, that is x. 1 by 2 constant x by 2 plus cos x, integral cos x is sin 8x by 8 into 2, derivative of 8x, 8 2s are 16, minus 2 into cos 4x sin 4x by 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are plus c. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. ఆప్షన్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మీరు ఏమైనా ఆప్షన్ లేదనుకోండి చేంజ్ చేసుకోండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. 1 by 64 x plus x by 2 3x by 2 plus sin 8x by 16 minus sin 4x by 2 plus see, this is the final one. So this one is the right option. Okay, integration of trigonometric functions type 1 చెప్పుకున్నామండి. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోస్ లో మనం type 2 నేర్చుకుంటాం. ఓకేనా? Type 1 is over. Next one type 2. We are going to discuss type 2. Now integration trigonometrical functions type 2 model. దీని ముందు మనం type 1 చెప్పుకున్నామండి. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ trigonometrical functions. టైప్ 1 ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాం మనం, ఇప్పుడు టైప్ 2 నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం. టైప్ 2 ఇంటిగ్రల్ dx by a sin square x plus b cos square x, integral dx by a plus b cos square x, integral dx by a sin square x plus b, integral dx by a sin x plus b cos x whole square, integral dx by a plus b sin square x plus c cos square x. Working method. Divide numerator and denominator by secant square x and take tan x equal to t. Okay, integration trigonometrical functions of type 2 model. Can we observe the degree of cos, sin square, cos square, sin square, sin plus cos x whole square, degrees 2. Degree of the trigonometrical function is 2 degree. In this case, divide numerator and denominator by secant square x and then take tan x equal to t. For an example, integral sin x by sin 3x dx. Integral sin x by sin 3x dx. Now sin 3 theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Now integral, ఎందుకంటే మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ స్క్వేర్స్ ఉండాలి, సైన్ స్క్వేర్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్, డిగ్రీ 2 ఉండాలి. నౌ sin x by sin 3x equals 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x dx. Integral sin x by, bring outside sin x. Sin x is the common in both the terms. Yes or no? In both the values, sin x is the common to both. So bring outside sin x. 3 minus 4 sin square x dx. Now it is like a plus b, b plus a sin square x. This one. 3 minus 4 sin square x. A sin square x plus b cos square x, 1 by a plus b cos square x, 1 by a sin square x plus b, whatever. So in this case, divide numerator and denominator by secant square x and then take tan x equal to t. So multiplying by secant square x, numerator and denominator. Now integral secant square x dx, numerator, denominator multiplied by secant square x, 3 into secant square x, 3 secant square x minus 4 into sin square x into secant square x, sin square x into secant square x. Now sin square x into secant square x is 1 by cos square x, sin square by cos square, tan square x dx. Now step 1. Divide numerator and denominator by secant square x and then take tan x equal to t. Now tan x equal to t. Derivative with respect to x. Derivative of tan x secant square x dx equal to dt. Secant square x dx equal to dt. Integral dt by 3 secant square x. Tan x equal to t. So convert into tan theta. 3 into secant square x equal to 1 plus tan square x minus 4 tan square x. So 3 plus 3 tan square x minus 4 tan square x minus tan square x, which is minus tan square x. 3 minus t square dt. 3 minus t square. Now formula 1 by square root of x square minus a square. What is the formula? 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. It is the formula. Integral 1 by x square minus a square. Here integral 1 by a square minus x square there. Now this will be minus of integral dt by t square minus root 3 whole square. Now minus of integral x 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Now 1 by 2a, 2 into a is root 3, 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Here x is a t minus root 3 by t plus root 3 plus c. Now minus 1 by 2 root 3 log of t in terms of x. Here t in terms of x, t equal to tan x. Now tan x minus root 3 by tan x plus root 3 plus c. This is the final answer. Next problem, integral 2 tan x plus 3 by sin square x plus 2 cos square x. A sin square x plus b cos square x in the denominator. In this case, numerator in this model, numerator and denominator multiplied by secant square x, and then tan theta equal to tan x equal to t. Now numerator and denominator multiply by secant square x. Now integral 2 tan x plus 3 into secant square x by sin square x into secant square x. Sin square x into 1 by secant square x is 1 by cos square x. Sin square by cos square tan square x plus cos theta into secant theta 1. So cos square theta into secant square 1. So plus 2 dx This. Then take tan x equal to t. Derivative with respect to x. Now secant square x dx equal to dt. Now integral 2 into tan x 2t plus 3 by t square plus 2. Secant square x dx equal to dt. This will be integral 2t by t square plus 2 dt plus integral 3 times of integral 1 by t square plus root 2 whole square dt. Can you observe it is a function f of x. This one is f dash x. Derivative of f of x. Derivative of t square plus 2. T square derivative 2t. Constant 0. So derivative of denominator in numerator. Now integral f dash x by f of x. What is the formula? Log of f of x plus c. It is a standard result. Integral f dash x by f of x dt equal to what is the formula? Log of f of t. What is f of t? T square plus 2 plus 3 times of integral 1 by a square plus x square. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a root 3 by 3 by root 2 tan inverse x by a. T by a is root 2. So finally t equal to tan x. Substitute t equal to tan x. Now log of tan square x plus 2 plus 3 by root 2 tan inverse t tan x by root 2. This is the final answer plus c. Next problem, integral dx by 4 sin square x plus 4 sin x cos x plus 5 cos square x. This one like 1 by a sin x plus b cos x whole square. A square plus b square. A square sin square b square cos square plus 2ab. 2 into sin x into cos x. In this case, in this model, numerator and denominator multiply by secant square x. Now integral secant square x dx by 4 into sin square x into secant square x tan square x. It means sin square x by cos square x, that is tan square x, plus 4 into secant multiplied by secant square x. Cos x into secant x, both are cancelled. Now 4 sin x into secant x. 4 sin x into cos x into secant square x. Now 4 sin x cos x into secant x into secant x. These are cancelled. Now 4 sin x by secant x is cos by cos x. Secant x equal to 1 by cos x. So 4 tan x. 4 tan x plus 5 into cos square x into secant square x. Cos x into secant x is 1. Cos square x into secant square x is 1. Only 5. It is step 1. What step 2? Let tan x be t. Derivative with respect to x. Secant square x dx equal to dt. Now integral secant square x dx equal to dt. dt by 4 times of tan square 4t square plus 4t plus 5. We have to write we have to create 4t square plus 4t plus 5 into a square plus x square or x square minus a square or a square minus x square. Okay. Now 4t square plus 4t plus 5. Coefficient of x square always positive 1. So bring outside 4. T square plus t plus 5 by 4. Now coefficient of x divided by 2, then square. So coefficient of x is 1. 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square. This one is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Adding 1 by 4, subtracting 1 by 4. 4 times of t square plus t plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Now 4 times of this one, t plus 1 by 2 whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4, sorry, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4. LCM is 4. Now minus 1 plus 5, 4. 4 cancel, minus 1. Now integral dt by 4 times of t plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1. T plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1. Minus 1 or plus 1? Minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4, 4 plus 4 by 4 plus 1, sorry, plus 1. Now 1 by 4 being outside, integral x square plus a square, integral 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, 1 by a, here a is 1 by 1 tan inverse x by a, t plus 1 by 2 by a is 1 plus c. This will be 1 by 4 tan inverse t. What is the t here in terms of x? Tan x. Tan x plus 1 by 2 plus c. This is the final answer. Next one. If integral sin x dx by sin square x plus 4 cos square x, a sin square x plus b cos square x, step 1 is divided, multiply numerator and denominator by secant square x. So integral secant square x into sin x dx by sin square x into secant square x tan square x plus 4 cos square x into secant square x cos square x into secant square x 1 4 equal to k. Here secant square x, secant x into 1 secant x is 1 by cos x into sin x. Now secant x into tan x. I hope you are understanding. Secant square x into sin x, secant square x, secant x into 1 secant x is 1 by cos, sin by cos tan x. Now integral secant x into tan x dx by tan square x plus 4. One important thing here, better one is let secant x equal to t. Here better one is secant x equal to t. Why here secant x equal to t? Derivative of secant x is secant x tan x dx. I hope you are understanding. Let secant x equal to derivative of secant x tan x dx equal to dt. Now, so convert into secant, tan square x, secant square minus tan square equal to 1, tan square x equal to secant square x minus 1, secant square x minus 1 plus 4. Now denominator is secant square x plus 3. So finally integral secant x tan x dx dt by secant x equal to t square plus 3. 3 can be written root 3 whole square. This one is integral 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a is root 3, tan inverse x by a, x is t by root 3 plus c. Now substitute the t in terms of x. What is t in terms of x? T equal to secant x. Now secant x by root 3 plus c. This is the final one. Now he given result of this integration. Okay, result of this function is 1 by root 3 tan inverse c, g of x by root 3 plus c. Now compare these two. 1 by root 3 tan inverse g of x equal to secant x. So question is g of x. So finally g of x equal to secant x. So you can which option? Second option is the right answer. I hope you are understanding this one. Next problem, integral sin 2x by sin power 4x plus cos power 4x dx. We have to convert in sine. We have to convert entire this one in sine. Sin 2x, sin 2 theta, 2 sin x cos x dx by sin power 4x plus a degree of sin and cos is 4. Sin power 4 theta. Sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. ఇది విచ్ అయినా చేసుకోవచ్చు అండి, లేదంటే బెటర్ వన్ sin power 4x plus cos power 4x 1 minus sin square x whole square 1 minus here cos square x whole square, cos square x is 1 minus sin square x whole square. Okay, can we observe sin square, derivative of sin square available in numerator. So better one is sin square x equal to t, derivative with respect to x 2 sin x cos x dx equal to dt. So this one available in numerator. Better one is, in this case better one is sin square x, let sin square x equal to t. Now 2 sin x cos x dx equal to dt, dt integral dt by sin power 4x t square plus 1 minus sin square x t whole square. Now integral dt by t square plus 1 minus 2t a minus b whole square. Integral dt by 2t square minus 2t plus 1. 2t square minus 2t plus 1. We have to create in the form of a square minus x square or x square minus a square or a square plus x square. Now coefficient of x square always positive 1. So to bring outside t square minus t plus 1 by 2. Step 2, coefficient of x divided by 2 then square. So coefficient of x is 1 divided by 2 and then square, applying square. So 1 by 4. So adding 1 by 4, subtracting 1 by 4. 2 times of t square minus t plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Now 2 times of this one is the perfect square, t minus 1 by 2 whole square. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 1 by 4 of half minus 1 by 4. Taking LCM is 4, 1 by 4th. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 4th. Now integral dt by bring outside 2, 1 by 2. Now t minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square. Now it is like 1 by integral 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Now half into 1 by a, 1 by 2 by 1, this will be 2 by 1. 1 by 1 by 1, this will be 2 by 1. Now tan inverse x by a, t minus 1 by 2 by a, 1 by 2 plus c. So 2 to cancel out. Now tan inverse 2t minus 1 by 1. Take LCM 2t minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Denominator cancelled out. 2t minus 1 plus c. Here what is the t in terms of x? Sine square x. Now tan inverse of 2 sine square x minus 1 plus c. This is the final answer. Tan inverse of 2 times of sine square x minus 1. So third one is the right option. Third one is the right option. Next one, integration trigonometrical functions. Type 1, type 2 already నేర్చుకున్నామండి. Now we are going to discuss the type 3. Integral dx by a sin x plus b cos x. Integral dx by a plus b cos x. Here degrees 1. Previous type 2 model degrees 2 and sin square cos square. Here only sin cos or sin. Integral dx by a sin x plus b. Integral dx by a plus b sin x plus c cos x. Previous one degrees 2. In this problem, in this model degrees 1. Working method. Working method. First we have to convert sin x and cos x in terms of tan x by 2. First we have to convert sin x and cos x in terms of tan x by 2. Sin 2 theta, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Sin theta, 2 tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. 1 plus tan square x by 2. Now cos 2 theta, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Cos theta, 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. What is step 1? We have to convert sin and cos in terms of tan x by 2. Step 1. Step 2. Take tan x by 2 be t. Take tan x by 2 equal to t. One important point. After convert sin and cos in terms of tan x by 2 in numerator secant square x by 2 generated. Numerator secant square x by 2 generated. The point. It is a working method. First step 1, we have to convert sin and cos in terms of tan x by 2. Second step 2 is tan x by 2. Let tan x by 2 equal to t. After convert say sin and cos in terms of tan square, in terms of tan x by 2, in numerator what generated, which one generated? Secant square x by 2 generated in numerator. Integral 1 by 4 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 13 dx. This one like a sin x plus b cos x. What step 1? We have to convert sin and cos in terms of tan x by 2. Now integral dx by 4 into 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 3 into 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 13. Integral. Take LCM. What is LCM? 1 plus tan square x by 2. 4 2 is 8. 8 tan x by 2 plus 3 minus 3 tan square x by 2 plus LCM is 1 plus tan square x. Now 13 plus 13 tan square x by 2. Your denominator is 1 plus tan square. What is 1 plus tan square?